Class 4 EVS. Okay, let's start. So today we'll do a new chapter. Okay, which chapter? This is chapter 3, occupation. Chapter 3 what? Occupation. What is this? Occupation. Now see. Today we'll learn about what is occupation. Now see. Okay. People need money to buy things. Okay. Let us write the date, otherwise we'll forget. 25. Okay. Now, people need money to buy things. Okay, now people need money. Why? People need money to buy things required for living. To get money, people have to work. Now, we need money to buy things, and to get money, we have to work. When we do work, we get money. Different people do different types of work to earn money. Now, different people do what? Different kind of works to earn money. Isn't it? Different people do different kind of works or types of works to earn money. Now, see. Now, what is occupation now? Occupation, the work that a person does to earn money is called occupation or a job. Underline this one. The work that a person does to earn money is called occupation or a job. Okay. So this is occupation. If I ask you what is occupation, what will you say? The work that a person does to earn money is called occupation. The work that a person does to earn money is called occupation or job. Different people do different kinds of work according to their skill. Now, different people do different kind of works according to their skill, means according to the knowledge. Okay, the knowledge in which they have gained. Okay, now the field in which they have gained knowledge. Okay, the skill according to the skills, educational degrees or interest. Now, educational degree also depends on the occupation and degree and interest also. Some people may have high education, but he is not interested in teaching line. So he will go for his own interest. Maybe he is interested in photography, so he will go in the photography line. So it depends on the skill, education, degree and interest. If your interest is to do for a policeman, to become a policeman, then you will not go for a teaching line. So now the main occupation of the people in village is agriculture. Now the main occupation of the people in village is agriculture and animal husbandry. Animal husbandry means to have farms, like to keep goats, sheep, poultry, hens, chicks, so all these things. That is keeping animal husbandry and agriculture. So the main occupation of the people in village is agriculture and animal husbandry. People in towns and cities. Now see, people in towns and cities take up different job or occupation. Now, people, those who live in towns and cities, they take up different jobs or occupation. Some people work in factories where goods of daily use are produced. Some people, they work in factories where goods of daily use are produced. Craftsmen like potters. Potters means those who make pots. Craftsmen like potters, weavers and carpenters make beautiful piece of art. They make beautiful pieces of art that we can use in our daily life. Okay. Now weavers, they weave. Carpenters, they make things out of wood. Okay. They make beautiful piece of art that we can use in our daily life. Now, people specially trained for a particular job are called skilled or semi-skilled labor. The people who is specially trained, they are trained for a particular job, are known as skilled or semi-skilled laborers. And some people have educational degree which help them to get educational degree which help them in getting a job. They are called professionals. Now, understand the difference. Now, some people who are trained for a particular job is known as semi-skilled or skilled labor, and some people who have educational degree, they get a job according to the basis of the degree, so they are known as professionals. Because why? They have the degree and they are trained, so they are skilled or semi-skilled labor. Now, money is required by people to buy things. True, right? True. People do different kinds of jobs to spend money. Different kind of job to spend money, to earn money. People work to earn money, to spend money, to earn money. It will be earn money. Spend will be what? Earn. They spend money or to earn money. Job to earn money. Spend money means to waste money. Weaving and carpentry are not considered as occupation. False. Weaving and carpentry is also occupation. Okay. Now, the work that a person does to earn money is called an occupation or a job. Yes, to earn money is called occupation. True. Clear? Can you see? True, false, false, true. Okay. Now, jobs people do. Embroiderers. Boy. Now see, embroiderers. What is this? Jobs people do. One of the job is embroiderers. Now see, embroiderers. Embroider. Have you heard the word embroidery? So from there the words come embroiderers. Now, embroiderers work with needles and thread to make beautiful design on clothes. This art is called embroidery. Now, many people, okay, they work with needle and thread to make beautiful designs on clothes. So they are called, that is called, that designs which they make with thread is known as embroidery. Clear? Now pilot, you know pilot? A pilot trained to fly. A pilot is trained to fly a plane is known as a pilot. Who can fly a plane is known as a pilot. A pilot receives his or her formal training at a flying institute. He got get his training in the institute, okay, flying institute. Now, potters make different articles of pottery like mug. They make different articles of pottery like what? Like they make mug, bowl, dishes and vases with the help of potters. Pottery wheel, see, this is known as pottery wheel. Potters means they work with the mud. They make different type of vessels, utensils, okay, like dishes, vases, mugs, bowls. Now, wet clay is used to make this article. The wet clay means kind of soil that is known as clay, sticky kind of soil. So wet clay is used to make this kind of articles. First they make the thing and they let it dry. They are then baked in clean to harden them, okay. Now wet clay is used. When wet clay is, the material will be soft. So after making the article, what do they do? They bake the utensil or whatever they are making in a kiln, 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 that is kiln to harden them, okay. Kiln, K-I-L, kiln. What is kiln now? An oven for baking or burning or drying. It is a big type of oven in which they burn or dry, okay, for baking. That inside, okay, that oven is used to dry the the utensils. They are made of clay. They are soft. So what will they will do? They will, now see, an oven for baking, burning or drying, okay. An oven for what? Baking, okay. Now what is this? Kiln is what? An oven for baking. You can bake there, you can burn or you can dry things. Dry things means this mud, clay type of utensils, you can make them dry. They will get the heat and they will get dry up and they will be hardened, okay. So that is clean. Now turn the page. Next is driver. Who is a driver now? Drivers drive buses. I think you know all who is a driver. Driver, they drive buses, trains or taxis and take people from one place to another. They take people from one place to another. Before starting their job, they have to undergo training and get a driving license. Now, drivers, they drive bus, trains, taxis, okay. Now, before they get into their job, they get a training of what? Training of driving, and they have to have a driving license. Now, tailors, you have heard the word tailors. See, tailors, stitching clothes. Tailor stitches garments from clothes with the help of sewing machine. This is a sewing machine that stitching clothes or garments. Needles and thread is used. Machine, needle and thread. They transform a simple piece of cloth into a beautiful dress. A simple piece of cloth they will turn into a beautiful dress using their tailoring skill. Using what? Using their tailoring skill. Okay. This is tailors. Tailors, they work with clothes. Weavers. Weavers weave clothes with the help of loom. Now see, this is known as loom. Weaving is the process of producing fabric from yarn. Now, what do weavers do? Weavers, they weave clothes. See, the stitching. Weaving means a kind of stitching only. The stitching the clothes with the help of loom. Okay, with the help of what? This is a loom. Okay, with the help of loom. Okay, weaving is the process of producing fabric. Now, by weaving, they will produce the textile. Fabric means the textile from yarn. Yarn is the place where they do all these things. See, this is the with the help of loom. Loom means threads and weavers means yarn means the. This is the system they are using, that is known as yarn. Okay. So weavers weave clothes with the help of loom. Weaving is the process of producing fabric, means producing textile from the yarn. Now, beautician. Have you heard of parlors? Beauticians. Now see, beauticians make people look beautiful. They use scissors, combs, and variety of beauty products to make people look smart and beautiful. Okay, beautician, beauty parlors, saloons we have. Okay, so what they use many type of products to make people look beautiful and smart. Mechanic, we have heard of mechanic. They repair cars, scooters, scooties, everything, bikes. No, mechanic repairs cars, scooters, motorcycle, bicycles, and other vehicles. They check the working of all parts of the vehicle. They check the working whether the vehicle is okay or not. Okay, they make sure that the engine of the vehicle is working smoothly. They check whether the engine of the vehicle is working smoothly or not. Engineers design and build machine. Okay, design and build machines. Engineers, what do they? Engineers, they design. What is the work of engineers? Engineers' work is to design. Engineers design and build machines. They use dividers, compass, and rulers to draw different technical design. What do they use? They use divider, all instrument, compass, and rulers to draw technical designs of a structure called blueprint of a structure. Okay, suppose a building has to be constructed. They will use everything, the instruments, to make a structure of the, or a blueprint, just a rough print of the building, how it should be constructed. They also use computer to do their own work faster and more accurately. Nowadays they are using computers to do their work faster and more accurately. Engineers are trained at engineering college. Now, engineers are trained at what? Engineering college. Okay, clear? So for today, this much. Now you revise. Your work is to revise the chapter. You revise the chapter, go twice and thrice and revise the chapter. Okay, for today, this much. Thank you.